Hello everyone. Through this set of videos, I will show you how to create a mobile app for your WordPress website. If you have a WordPress website and you need to enhance your growth and show your business on the Play Store, on the App Store, then this video will be for you. This video will show how to do this through React Native and Expo. React Native and Expo is a famous framework for creating mobile apps. This video will show you how to do this without prior coding knowledge. So I will start with the programs we shall need here. The programs here are mainly the basic programs for setting environment. Shall be Node.js, Yarn, Expo, CLI, and Visual Studio Code. I'll explain how to get all these. First, in order to start with Node.js, you must first make sure that your WordPress website is compatible for this process. In order to make sure that your WordPress website can work for this set of videos, you must first ensure you have a REST API route. In order to do this, you can go to your WordPress. I will test this on my website here. So after your main domain, you shall write !REST root equals WP v2 post this way. As you can see here, if the page returns something like this, then your WordPress is supporting the REST API. If not, then you must check with your developer what went wrong, because REST API is the default WordPress functionality, and it won't be hidden unless there was unless you did this, or your WordPress developer hid it for a specific reason. So you must check this if you don't have the WordPress REST API, because if in this case the applicable set of this set of video will not be applicable for you. So here, let's start. First, we will need Node.js. Node.js is the server language that you need. It's easy to install here. You will install the let's stable version here. Maybe at the time you will watch this video, you will see a different version, but at the end this will be the one you will download. I have it already on my laptop, so I don't need to reinstall it again. Next, you will need to install Yarn. Yarn is a package manager. You can Node.js already have Node Package Manager installed by default, but for this set of videos, and because I will use a template that is supporting Yarn here, it's better to install Yarn. Yarn installation is easy. If you are on Windows, you can just download the installer. If you are on Linux or Mac, you will need to run this command. If you have a difficulty in doing any of these, you can I will link this. I will give you this link in the description. It shows how to install everyone in detail. If you have any difficulty installing any of these programs. So next we will need to install the Expo CLI. Expo CLI is also easy to install. You can just get started here. You can go to expo.io and get started. So you will first install Expo. I will use Yarn here. So you can write this command Yarn global add expo.cli. You can get it for either from the terminal if you are on Mac, or if you are on Windows, you can just get the CMD. From the start button here, you can search for CMD, and you can just write this command in order to install Yarn. In order to install Expo CLI. So after you install the Expo CLI, we will get this in the next video, but I wanted in this video to ensure that you have the environment set in order to start installing your app. So finally, we will need a code editor. I prefer here Visual Studio Code. It's an easy to install, easy to use. So you can just write Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code here. You can go and download it. It's an easy to use. It's free. After you download the Visual Studio Code, you will see it. You can see it here from your installed programs. I will need to before starting, you will need to install terminals. So as shown here, you can install the terminal from the extensions. I am already installing it, so it's ready on my device. But you will just click install, and it will be installed. To access the terminal here, you can click on this small icon, and you can write whatever you like. So this video has just shown how to install the environment needed in order to start our work. In the next video, I will show you how to start building your first app with Expo. So you can still follow me, keep things rolling, and let's see you in the next video.